Hello everyone! Welcome back to English Listening and Speaking Channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos every day.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emily, and today we are going to talk about weekend plans.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Emily,
Hi, Michael.
how are you today?
I am very well, thank you. How are you?
I am great. Thank you for asking.
That is nice to hear.
Emily, do you like weekends?
Yes, I do. I love weekends
Why do you like weekends?
because I can relax and spend time with my family.
That sounds wonderful.
What about you?
I like weekends because I do not have to work.
That is a good reason.
What do you usually do on Saturday morning?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you wake up early every weekend?
Yes, I do.
What do you do after you wake up?
I make my bed.
Then what?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs, toast, and fruit.
That sounds healthy.
Thank you.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes I do.
I usually drink tea.
Tea is very nice.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I clean my room.
Do you clean every weekend?
Yes, I like a clean room.
That is a good habit.
Thank you.
Do you listen to music while cleaning?
Yes, I like happy music.
Music makes cleaning more fun.
I agree.
What do you do after cleaning?
I read a book.
What kind of books do you like?
I like storybooks.
I enjoy storybooks too.
Reading helps me relax.
Do you go outside on weekends?
Yes, I usually go to the park.
Who do you go with?
Sometimes I go with my sister.
What do you do at the park?
We walk and talk together.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, we enjoy the fresh air.
Do you see many people there?
Yes, many families visit the park.
Do children play there?
Yes, they play games and ride bicycles.
That sounds fun.
It is always nice to see happy people.
Do you take pictures?
Sometimes I do.
What do you like to take pictures of? Nature is beautiful.
Yes, it makes me feel calm.
What do you usually do in the afternoon?
I visit my parents.
Do you visit them every weekend?
Yes, we eat lunch together.
What do you usually eat?
We eat rice, chicken, vegetables, and soup.
That sounds delicious.
My mother is a great cook.
I love home-cooked food.
Me too.
Let's learn some English together.
Great idea.
The word weekend means Saturday and Sunday.
Example, I relax on the weekend.
The word plan means something you want to do.
Example, my plan is to visit my family.
The word relax means to rest and feel calm.
Example, I relax by reading a book.
The word visit means to go and see someone.
Example, I visit my grandparents on Sunday.
Here is a grammar tip.
We use the present simple to talk about routines. For example, I visit my parents every weekend. She reads a book on Saturday. Notice the verb reads. Yes, we add S with he and she.
Another example is
He plays soccer. And she cooks dinner.
Very good. Practice these sentences every day. What about you, everyone? What do you usually do on the weekend? Please write your answer in the comments. We would love to read your answers. Let's continue talking about weekend plans. Yes, We have many more ideas to share.
Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue our conversation about weekend plans.
Yes, I am excited to continue.
Emily, what do you usually do after lunch?
I usually help my mother clean the kitchen.
That is very kind of you.
Thank you. We work together.
Does it take a long time?
No, about 20 minutes.
Then what do you do?
I like to watch a movie.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies
Why do you like comedy?
because they make me laugh.
Laughter is good for us.
Yes, it makes me happy.
Do you watch movies alone?
Sometimes.
Do you watch movies with your family?
Yes, we watch together on Saturday night.
That sounds like a nice family activity.
It is one of my favorite weekend traditions.
Do you eat snacks while watching a movie?
Yes, I like popcorn.
Popcorn is my favorite movie snack.
Mine too.
Do you ever go shopping on weekends?
Yes, I usually go shopping on Sunday morning.
Where do you go?
I go to the supermarket.
What do you buy?
I buy fruit, vegetables, milk, bread, and eggs.
Do you make a shopping list?
Yes, it helps me remember everything.
That is a smart idea.
Thank you.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, but I do not like long lines.
I understand.
I try to shop early.
Do you cook on weekends?
Yes, I enjoy cooking with my family.
What do you cook?
We cook chicken, rice, vegetables, and soup.
That sounds delicious.
Cooking together is fun.
Do you learn new recipes?
Sometimes I do.
What is your favorite meal?
My favorite meal is fried rice.
I love fried rice too.
It is easy to make.
Do you have hobbies on weekends?
Yes, I enjoy gardening.
What do you grow?
I grow flowers and small vegetables.
Gardening is relaxing.
Yes, it makes me feel peaceful.
Do you listen to music while gardening?
Sometimes I do.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music.
That sounds relaxing.
It is.
What do you do on Sunday evening?
I prepare for the new week.
What do you prepare?
I prepare my clothes and my work bag.
That is a good habit.
It saves time on Monday morning.
I should do that too.
It really helps.
Let's learn more English together.
Great!
The word shopping means buying things from a store.
Example: I go shopping every Sunday.
The word supermarket means a large store that sells food and other products.
Example: my family buys food at the supermarket.
The word recipe tells you how to cook a meal.
Example: my grandmother has a great soup recipe.
The word gardening means growing flowers or plants.
Example: gardening is my favorite hobby.
Now, let's learn some grammar.
Today, we will learn like and love.
We use like for something we enjoy.
Example: I like reading books.
We use love when we enjoy something very much.
Example: I love spending time with my family. Let's practice. I like shopping.
I love weekends.
She likes cooking.
He loves soccer.
Excellent.
Now, let's practice pronunciation.
Listen carefully.
Weekend, weekend. Supermarket, supermarket. Gardening, gardening. Very good. Practice these words every day. They are useful in everyday conversations.
Yes, you can use them with your family and friends.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We upload new beginner English conversations every week. Thank you for learning English with us. Let's continue our conversation in part 3. Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue our conversation about weekend plans.
Yes, I am enjoying our conversation.
Emily, do you like Sunday mornings?
Yes, Sunday mornings are peaceful.
What time do you wake up on Sunday?
I usually wake up at 7:30.
Is that later than Saturday?
Yes, I sleep a little longer.
Do you have breakfast with your family?
Yes, we eat together every Sunday.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
We have bread, eggs, fruit, and juice.
That sounds delicious.
It is always a happy meal.
Do you talk while you eat?
Yes, we talk about our plans for the day.
That is a nice family tradition.
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
Do you ever visit your grandparents?
Yes, we visit them 2 or 3 times each month.
What do you do together?
We drink tea and talk.
Do your grandparents tell stories?
Yes, they tell wonderful stories.
I enjoy listening to stories from older people.
Me too. I learn many things from them.
Do you ever play games with your family?
Yes, we play card games and board games.
Which game is your favorite?
I like chess.
Chess is a great game.
Yes, it helps me think.
Do you play sports on weekends?
Sometimes I play badminton with my friends.
Where do you play?
We play at the community park.
Is it fun?
Yes, we laugh and exercise together.
Exercise is important for good health.
I agree.
Do you ever ride a bicycle?
Yes, I ride my bicycle on Sunday afternoon.
Where do you go?
I ride around my neighborhood.
Do you wear a helmet?
Yes, safety is very important.
That is a smart choice.
Thank you.
What do you do if it rains?
I stay at home.
What do you do at home?
I read books or watch a movie.
Do you ever bake cookies?
Yes, sometimes I bake chocolate cookies.
That sounds delicious.
My family loves them.
I would like to try them.
You are welcome anytime.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you prepare for Monday on Sunday evening?
Yes, I prepare everything.
What do you prepare first?
I prepare my clothes.
Then what?
I pack my bag.
Do you check your calendar?
Yes, I check my schedule for the new week.
That helps you stay organized.
Yes, it makes Monday easier.
Let's learn more English together.
Great idea.
Today's new word is schedule.
A schedule is a plan for your time.
Example, I check my schedule every Sunday evening.
Our next word is neighborhood.
A neighborhood is the area where you live.
Example, I ride my bicycle around my neighborhood.
Another useful word is prepare.
Prepare means to get ready.
Example, I prepare my bag before Monday.
Another useful word is tradition.
A tradition is something people do regularly for a long time.
Example, eating breakfast together is our family tradition.
Now, let's practice grammar.
Today, we will learn going to.
We use going to for future plans.
Example, I am going to visit my grandparents this weekend.
Example, we are going to play badminton tomorrow.
Let's practice together.
I am going to read a book.
I am going to cook dinner.
She is going to watch a movie.
They are going to visit the park.
Excellent.
Now, let's practice pronunciation.
Schedule.
Schedule.
Neighborhood.
Neighborhood.
Prepare.
Prepare.
Tradition.
Tradition.
Wonderful job.
Keep practicing these words every day.
You will use them in many conversations.
We are almost at the end of today's lesson.
In the final part, we will review what we learned and say goodbye.
We hope you will join us for part 4.
Welcome back, everyone. This is the final part of our conversation about weekend plans.
Thank you for staying with us. Let's finish our conversation together.
Emily, what is your favorite part of the weekend?
My favorite part is spending time with my family.
Why is family time important to you?
Because we can talk, laugh, and help each other.
That is wonderful.
Family makes me feel happy and loved.
Do you call your friends on the weekend?
Yes, sometimes I call my best friend.
What do you usually talk about?
We talk about work, hobbies, and our plans.
Do you ever meet your friends?
Yes, sometimes we meet at a coffee shop.
What do you like to drink?
I usually drink orange juice or tea.
I like hot chocolate.
That is a great drink.
Do you enjoy quiet weekends?
Yes, quiet weekends help me relax.
Do you ever stay at home all day?
Yes, sometimes staying home is the best plan.
What do you do at home?
I read books, listen to music, and watch movies.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, it helps me feel ready for a new week.
Do you ever learn something new on weekends?
Yes, I like learning English.
How do you practice?
I listen to English podcasts and repeat the sentences.
That is an excellent way to improve.
Thank you.
Do you write new words in a notebook?
Yes, I write 5 new words every weekend.
Do you read them again?
Yes, I review them every evening.
Review is very important.
Yes, it helps us remember new vocabulary.
Let's review today's new words.
Great idea.
Weekend,
Saturday and Sunday.
plan,
Something you want to do.
visit,
To go and see someone.
supermarket,
A large store where people buy food.
gardening,
Growing flowers or plants.
schedule,
A plan for your time.
neighborhood,
The area where you live.
Prepare.
To get ready.
Tradition.
Something people do regularly.
Excellent.
Let's review today's grammar.
We learned the present simple.
We use it for daily routines.
Example, I visit my parents every weekend.
Example, she cooks dinner every Sunday.
We also learned going to.
We use going to for future plans.
Example, I am going to visit my grandparents.
Example, we are going to watch a movie tonight.
Wonderful.
Now let's practice a short conversation.
What are you going to do this weekend?
I am going to visit my family.
Are you going to cook dinner?
Yes, I am going to cook chicken and rice.
Are you going to read a book?
Yes, I am going to read a new story.
Excellent. These sentences are easy to practice. Remember to speak slowly and clearly. Practice every day, even if it is only 10 minutes. Small practice every day brings big improvement. Never give up. Every new word helps you become a better English speaker. Believe in yourself. You can do it. Learning English is a wonderful journey. We hope today's conversation helped you.
We hope you learned many useful words and sentences.
What about you?
What are you going to do this weekend?
Please write your answer in the comments below.
We enjoy reading your comments.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video.
Subscribe to our channel for more beginner English conversations.
Share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you for your support.
Today was a lot of fun.
I really enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Thank you for learning English with us.
Keep practicing every day.
Keep smiling and keep learning.
We will see you in our next English learning podcast.
Have a wonderful weekend.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. See you next time.